Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to increase minimap size in League of Legends. In order to change your minimap size in League of Legends, firstly you need to head into a game. A custom game will do the trick. Then press escape. From the left hand side, you have to select interface section. After coming to the interface section, you will find the interface size menu. From here you will see minimap scale, which by default should be 50. You can increase it to as much as you want. So if I go to 100, which is the maximum size, you will get a minimap size of this big, which will be very helpful for noticing every movement of your enemy and have a good grip. So yeah, this is how you can essentially change your minimap size in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.